Section 1. Warm up. Get your muscles ready. Before you start lifting weights, it's super important to warm up your muscles. Imagine stretching a rubber band without warming it up. It could snap. Our muscles are similar. Warming up helps to prevent injuries by increasing blood flow to the muscles. It also prepares your body for the workout ahead. A good warm-up should last for about 5 to 10 minutes. You can start with some light cardio, like jogging in place or jumping jacks. This will get your heart rate up and increase blood flow throughout your body. Then move on to some dynamic stretches, such as arm circles, leg swings, and torso twists. Remember to move gently and smoothly through each stretch. Don't rush your warm-up. It might seem like a small part of your workout, but it plays a big role in preventing injuries and preparing your body for the hard work ahead. As a beginner, start with fewer repetitions and lighter weights. You can gradually increase the intensity and duration of your warm-up as you get stronger and more comfortable. Section 2. Lift to lose squats, presses, and deadlifts. Let's talk about some awesome exercises that are great for weight loss: squats, bench presses, and deadlifts. These exercises work multiple muscle groups at the same time, burning more calories and boosting your metabolism. Squats are like nature's chair. They work your legs, glutes, and core. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart and slowly lower yourself as if you're sitting in a chair. Keep your back straight and your core engaged. Bench presses target your chest, shoulders, and triceps. Lie on your back on a bench with your feet flat on the floor. Lower the barbell to your chest and then push it back up. Deadlifts work your back, legs, and core. Stand with your feet hip width apart and bend down to grab the barbell. Keep your back straight and lift the weight off the ground. These exercises are compound movements, meaning they engage multiple muscle groups simultaneously. This leads to increased muscle mass, which helps burn more calories even when you're at rest. Don't be afraid to start with lighter weights and gradually increase as you get stronger. Section 3. Core strength, crunching for beginners. Having a strong core is important for overall fitness and stability. Crunches are a simple yet effective exercise for building core strength. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Place your hands behind your head for support. Engage your core muscles and lift your head and shoulders off the ground towards your knees. Remember to keep your movements slow and controlled and avoid pulling on your neck. Start with a set of 10 to 15 repetitions and gradually increase the number as you get stronger. You can modify crunches by placing your feet on an elevated platform or by using a resistance band for added challenge. Building core strength not only improves your posture, but also supports your spine during other exercises. A strong core contributes to better balance, stability, and overall functional fitness. Remember to breathe deeply throughout the exercise, inhaling as you lower down and exhaling as you crunch up. Section 4. Cool down. Relax and recover. Cooling down after your workout is just as important as warming up. It helps your body return to its normal state and prevents muscle soreness. Think of it as giving your muscles a high five for a job well done. A proper cool-down routine helps regulate blood flow and prevents it from pooling in your muscles. Start your cool-down with some light cardio like walking on a treadmill or cycling at a low intensity. This helps to gradually lower your heart rate and allows your body to recover more efficiently. Then move on to some static stretches, holding each stretch for 20 to 30 seconds. Focus on stretching the muscles you worked during your workout. Breathe deeply and relax into each stretch. Cooling down isn't just about preventing soreness, it also helps reduce the buildup of lactic acid, which can contribute to muscle fatigue. Section 5. Listen to your body's safety and success. When starting any new workout routine, it's crucial to listen to your body and prioritize safety. If you feel any pain during an exercise, stop immediately and consult with a healthcare professional. Start with lighter weights than you think you need. Proper form is more important than lifting heavy weights. Focus on performing each exercise with the correct technique before increasing the weight. If you're unsure about your form, don't hesitate to ask for help from a certified personal trainer. They can provide guidance and ensure you're exercising safely and effectively. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to seeing results. Make a workout schedule and stick to it as much as possible. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results overnight. Building muscle and losing weight takes time and effort. Celebrate your small victories and keep moving forward. You got this.